Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Keesha Kaylee here, and today's video is going to be, y'all, my freaking forehead looks huge. What's going on? Okay, let's run this back. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Keesha Kaylee here, and today's video is going to be another wig installation, and probably the last time you guys will see me filming in my filming room, closet room, bathroom upstairs, because we're getting a hair salon for our basement, and I'm super excited because I'm gonna have a designated spot to actually film all of my wig content moving forward with products and everything else, so stay tuned for that. But today we have collaborated with ELFIN Hair Company again. I've worked with them quite a few times on my channel. Absolutely love them, been using them for years. So it also came with some instructions, an invisible HD wig cap, and I believe this is a scarf or a bonnet, another edge brush, cannot have enough of these, and an actual edge band. So now hear me out. Whenever you do one of these 3-in-1 install wigs, it's typically for you to leave out the parameters of your hair. However, all of my hair is braided down. So that's why I said I'm going to try this out, because this is here for a long time, not just a good time. So this is going to be very versatile, and I kind of want to make sure that I can utilize this even when my hair is fully braided down, because some girls don't like to wear any of their hair, their leave out, especially when they're in between too many styles where they've had enough of their leave out. And another way that you can wear these wigs is, of course, utilizing headbands. So a lot of girls, you need to get on the wave if you have not already, ordering those headbands. I actually just ordered me at least 12 of them to go with different outfits. It's fall, going into winter pretty much, even though fall just got here, but it feels like winter in Atlanta. But you can just put that on the front part of the wig so that you can kind of like cover up that area. But if you want to wear your natural hair out, then that is definitely a great idea. I am going to insert a clip right from their website showing how a girl has utilized that, and yeah, like with the leave out portion of it. And this is a 24-inch, y'all, so we went a little longer. Take that off right here, and it's a nice little drawstring, and we're gonna take the net off as we fall in love with this new wig, you guys. Super excited, super excited. Oh, this is not the way to wear the wig. So you would typically just kind of put it right behind your hairline. There's a comb to kind of comb it through the braids, your hair, or whatever you see fit. Stay with me now, stay with me. And I'm going to tighten the wig up from the back. Okay, it's pretty secure. Now for me, I'm going to pull some of the hair in the front, like so, as I continue to kind of just finger pull all of the curls to make it bigger. And of course, feel free to wash the hair. And, oh y'all, it's getting caught up in my press-on nails. Feel free to wash the hair, blow dry the hair. This is just if I was like in a rush. Can I rely on ELFIN Hair Company to bring me the heat? So for a quick out the door hairstyle. So this is what it looks like right here. And I'm going to, because you can either kind of take it down the middle, and these are my cutting scissors. I think these are, I don't remember, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with longer bangs than shorter, because I'd rather cut too little and then have to go back, because if you start off cutting too much, there's nothing you can do at that point. So I'm cutting this off in the front. Okay guys, I got a little wet because I had to wet the hair and kind of trim it a little bit and just get everything looking up to par. This is gonna dry, and it's supposed to be like a messy type of thing. That I saw a girl off their website. I don't know if she got a shorter length or she kind of cut it in the video. I kind of think that's what I want to do to frame it, but for the sake of the video, I got to keep it at 24 inches. So y'all let me know below, should I cut the bang even shorter? Because I'm trying to do, y'all know what I'm talking about, like those curtain bangs. You can also kind of like separate it a little bit. And then of course, the best course of action will be to leave out some hair in your perimeter, but this wig is very versatile, so it's not an absolutely must do type of thing. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is definitely not the headband I was talking about. I'm talking about one of those regular plain workout aerobic headbands, but they're downstairs and I have not even taken out the stuff out that box. I didn't feel like taking up too much more time, and I need to go get a snack real quick. But I just got one of my other little cutesy headbands and did it like this. And this is definitely a look I could go for without the wetness in my shirt. Just rock it like this. Just put the headband on. If you don't have the leave out, if you don't have like a little braid in the front, you can put a little headband on in the front. It's super comfortable. I do like I said, how I cut this. I just brought all of the shorter hair that I cut all over. And I did, like I said, try to shorten it right here so it wasn't too much hair. And I think I do. I guess it's the bangage right there. I may not cut anything else over here because 9 times out of 10, whenever I do wear it, I'm going to wear it always flipped over to this side because that's big. If you like this wig and you got any other tips of how I can wear this, or you've been rocking it a certain type of way and you want to let me know, then let me know in the comments below. Everything about the wig will be listed in the description box below, as well as the coupon code to check it out. Check out anything on their site as well as anything else on their site that you may want to purchase for yourself or somebody else. Give somebody else something. It's the holidays coming up and approaching, and I know a lot of you guys are shopping for the loved ones in your life. I appreciate you guys so much, of course, for watching and rocking with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.